time for adventure. Don't worry, rescue is here. Hi, everyone. So glad to see you. Look out! It's about to fall!
Oh no! The nest!
Hurry!
Almost there! Keep going! Let's get it!
Wow, look at the size of this tree. Guys, look. Down here. Oh no, what's wrong with the little bird?
Don't worry, little one. I've got you. All right, little fella. In the basket you go. Gotcha. Safe and sound. Let's go.
We're almost there.
Good job, Op. You made it. Look, Op. The birds are waiting for you. Wow. They're so cute.
All right! We did it! Yes! First rescue down.
Look, Dew. Over here. Something's in the thorns. Something's stuck. Hurry, look. Ouch. That really hurt. It's no use.
I'll clear a path for us. Just need to get rid of these thorns. There, all clear.
Hold still, little friend. Squeak. There, now you're free. Squeak. All better.
Hoo-hoo! Wow! All done. Don't worry, little guy. This will fix you right up.
Squeak.
There, all better now.
Happy purr. I think he's thanking us. He's safe now. Yes, he is. Just rest, little one. Little guy, I'm coming. Stay right there. Cheep, cheep. Just a little further. Cheep. Hold tight. I've gotcha. Help! Somebody, please help me. Hold on tight, Op. Oh, I've got it, Dew. Thank you. All right, here goes. Whee! was so fast! Thanks for the ride! You're safe now. Thank you, Doo. Thanks! We did it! They're all safe. Home at last. Time to warm up. Just need a spark. Ah, perfect! You two got pretty wet. Let's get you both nice and dry. Ta-da! Fresh milk and berries, just for you. Dig in. Look at them eat. They're so happy. Yes, they are. They must be very hungry. Oh, hello there, little friend. A visitor for me. Careful on my nose. We did it! Ah, yes!
Hooray! Like and subscribe for more amazing adventures. Don't forget to share with all your friends. We love you guys.
Welcome, everyone. This is the best day. Hooray for the rescue station.